Good morning, dear students and parents. Welcome to UKG drawing class. How are you all, children? Fine? Yes, I'm sure you all are fine and doing your work as well. Okay, children, let me ask you all. Do you all like coloring? Yes, you all love coloring. Every child loves coloring. Do you know how coloring helps us? Coloring helps us to become more creative, to become more imaginative. Creative and imaginative means you use your mind to think, what color should this be? Should this be pink or blue? Which will look better? Then you think in your mind, blue will look better. Then you color that picture with a blue crayon. But today on the board, you can see a giraffe. You can also see a little tree here. But in this picture, you all know the color of a giraffe. So you don't have to think which color it is. You all know that a giraffe is yellow in color with brown spots on its body. And a tree, its trunk is brown and its leaves are green. So in this picture, you just have to recognize the color and fill the blank one. So children, come let's start. This giraffe is in your Art Express book. Look here, you all have this book with you. This picture is on page 10. So come let's start coloring this giraffe. Okay children, now come let's start coloring. You all must be having your crayons with you. Come take it out and now let us start coloring this picture. See, the color which we have to start with is yellow. So now ma'am is going to take out a yellow crayon. See, this is a yellow crayon. So now I'm going to start coloring this giraffe with a yellow crayon. Keep in mind children, you have to color it very neatly. Be careful the color doesn't come out of the borderline. Look here, see how ma'am is coloring? I'm coloring in one direction from one side to the other. See, I'm making sure the color doesn't come out of the black border line. And when you color children, try and fill up all the place which you can see white. Okay? If you leave any part white, your coloring will not look neat. See, I'm coloring in one direction. If you color in one direction, it will look beautiful. See, this giraffe is going to be happy because it's going to look smart now after it's colored. See, I finished coloring its face. Now I'm going to come down to its neck. Look at its neck. How does its neck look? It has a long neck. See, this giraffe is very tall. It has a long neck. Giraffe eat leaves from trees very easily because of their long necks. They can reach the top of the tree. But look at this tree in the picture. Is it a tall tree? No, it's a very short tree. So this giraffe is not going to have any trouble to eat the leaves from this tree. See, I'm coloring in one direction, from side to side. You can color side to side or top to bottom, whichever direction you want. Only thing, make sure it looks neat. Look here, I'm trying to fill up all the places which are looking white. See, you need to do it very carefully. And when you come close to the borderline, go slow. If you try to hurry up and color towards the borderline, your color might just come out of the borderline. And then your coloring will look very untidy. See, now I'm going to color its legs. This giraffe has 4 legs. See, you can see 3 in the picture and 1 is at the back. Just a little part of it can be seen. Look here. This giraffe is going to look handsome now. You know what's handsome? You know what's pretty and handsome? Yes. Girls look pretty and boys look handsome. See? I'm coloring now. All its legs are almost colored. And look at this little line over here. This is its 4th leg, which is not visible fully because it is at the back of its front leg. Look here, children. After you color, you still need to check. I can see some white space here. Now see, I'm coloring it up in the same direction from one side to the other. Look here. Now I'll check its neck. Is there any white space? Yes. Look here, I'm coloring this also. Make sure it all gets colored evenly. Evenly means nicely without anything looking untidy. See, now I'm doing the face. I can see some white space in the face also. Some white paper from inside is showing. Look here. Now this giraffe is colored. And now what is left to color? Its little tail. Look at this giraffe. Look at its little tail. It has a small little tail. Look here. I've colored its tail also now. Okay, children. Now what I'm going to do? Now I'm going to take a brown crayon and make those little brown spots on its body. So see, you just, with your crayon, you make like this. Little balls all around its body. See, like a giraffe has brown spots on its body. See these little balls over here. You can make them very easily. Another thing which we have to color is this top part of this giraffe's head. See, I'm coloring it with a brown and some yellow crayons. Now these little circles around its neck. These little semicircles. Now I'm coloring this also with a brown crayon. See, now the giraffe is ready. Okay, children, now the little tree. Its trunk is brown in color. So I'm using this brown crayon to color its trunk. See, again I'm going to start coloring in one direction from top to bottom. Neatly, without the color coming out of the borderline. You need to keep this in mind each time you color. Look here. Now this tree is colored. First I've colored the trunk. Now I'll color the leaves. Now see, the trunk is colored. And when I color the leaves, the tree will be complete. See, now I'm checking up for some white place. See, some white paper showing from inside. I'm coloring that up also for it to look neat. See, it's done. Okay, now for the leaves, I'm going to take a green crayon. And now I'm going to color the leaves. And again, in one direction, make sure it doesn't come out of the borderline. See, first ma'am is doing the scallops. See, like this. These are the leaves. Okay. Now see, this tree is also ready. Now this giraffe is going to eat all these leaves. So let me color it up fast because this giraffe is feeling very hungry. He's been waiting for a long time to eat some nice green fresh leaves. Let me color them up nicely so that the giraffe can have a good feed of these green leaves. Look here, I'm filling up all the white place. See, done? Isn't it looking the same as the colored picture? So children, you all need to color in the same way in your coloring book. Okay? The worksheet will be uploaded on the school website on a Saturday or Sunday. You need to color. Parents, please help your children to color neatly. Thank you.